Hello, physics students. Let's look at what you need to do for your project. So first of all, how do we get to our LibGuides website? If you're not clicking on the link that is hopefully given to you, so you can search for it, click on links and forms under the PTO, and click for LibGuides for the library. Then you just scroll down to Honors Physics. You'll see that right there. You can click on that, and then it has some great sources for you. Once you're at the LibGuide, you want to also have Noodle Tools open. So you get there through ClassLink, so log into ClassLink. You're going to go down to Library Resources. You click on that, and then you click on Noodle Tools. From here, you're going to click on the plus for new project, title it, whatever, physics or whatever. Now, your citation style, you want to make sure you click on APA. So there you go. I've clicked on APA, and junior should be fine. Then you hit submit. You've created a new project. Notice it's in APA. That's really important because that's going to help create it correctly. Now, this is where frequently I use Google before I go in to actually do the search because I want to actually read up a little bit about physicists that would maybe stand out to me before I pick one. But once I pick one, then it's a great time to use the LibGuide for high quality sources. So if you go over here to LibGuide, the database I recommend the most, you have, of course, a couple of encyclopedias, but honestly, you can probably get all your sources from Science in Context. Science in Context looks like this. So something pretty cool about it, it has a specific physics and astronomy category. So I've picked Catherine Blodgett, and notice when I start typing in her name, it comes up with, something to click on. So then you click on that and you search. You'll notice that there are some biographies that come up. That is really going to be your best source, and you can use more than one. So I'm going to click on this one. You can see that it's from notable scientists from 1900 to present. And so say I decide to use this as one of my sources. This is actually really cool. It's going to give you other ones that are pretty similar, so good biographies, and then you can click on Cite, and this is really cool. You want to click on APA, of course, so you got to make sure you click on APA, but if your Noodle Tools is open, you can export to Noodle Tools. You've just created this project, and then you hit Import. All right, now again, I do recommend that you use the sources on the LibGuide because they've been vetted. But when you look on the web, if you're just doing that, just because it's on the web doesn't mean it's a high quality source. So for something like famousscientist.org, I would have to evaluate it. Who's writing this? And, what is their purpose? It does not matter if the content's right or not. So it's looking a little iffy right now. Of course, I would have to, again, figure out who is actually writing this and what's their purpose. And the fact that you have this ad here makes me a little nervous. So who is actually writing this? I don't know. A lot of times people make websites just to monetize. And remember, when you put something down as a source, you're saying that this scholarly place is your backup. This is how it is. So if we can't prove that this is from an expert, you don't want to use it. So again, I'm encouraging you to stick with the databases that we spend good money on that are high authority that are on the LibGuide. Once you have finished all your sources here, so say here that I'm done, I'm not done, but let's say I was done, then cool thing is you want to just click on Export Print, either Word or Word Online. So this one's going to download a Word file here. You hit Save on that, and then you hit Open on this. So it's opening my Word file. as and whether it does it online or it does it on actual Word that's on your computer here, then what you want to have happen here is you and there it is. You want to make sure you enable editing. So you enable that. And then I hit enter. You have to type your name on it, okay? So type your name on it because that's how I know it's you. And type that on there. And it doesn't have to be bold, but honestly, I really don't care about this. Everything else is right, though. So that's the great thing about using this. So this is a topic, and this is the great thing about using the sources, that the databases, because they give you the citation. So after that, you want to do a file and like a save as here. And instead of a Word file, do it as a PDF. So save it as a PDF, whether it's wherever you're at, Word Online or stuff. Save it as a PDF, and then you attach that to the Library 8 account. And that's how we can open it, but we will not print it without your name on it. So once it's printed, I check it. If it's all correct, I stamp it. And then you're going to get 100. If it's not stamped, then it means there is a problem with it.